NextMember is one of the useful function in the MDX world. It will help you to fetch the what will be the next member for the specified member. One step back, if you go back, so class 9 we talked about how to mention the current member and previous member, where we select the current member and then bring the respective previous member. Similarly, next member also bring the what is the next value in the queue for the specified member. Let's get into the example how we can write the next member function. So next member function, the syntax is it's always member dot next member. So simple, right? Now let me go to the statement. So I write the select statement where I bring the reseller sales amount on columns, and then also I'll bring the time frame. Here I take the calendar month, one of the calendar month where I have the data. So let me take the November data, November month, then on rows from my queue. This is how we write the normal query. Now, if I execute this, then I get the November data. Normally, so what we do, so if I want to bring the October month data, that is my previous member, right? So then we mention previous member. Okay, now this time we'll get the October. Now, if I mention next member, then I'll get the December 2012 because my current specified member is November 2012 and the next member is December 2012. Not only the time frame, you can also use this function for the any another uh, dimension attributes. Okay, now let me show you how to use this function for the product category level. So here I take the category accessories, that is my specified current member, and then I'm expecting bike sales is my next member. Here you go. So bike is my next member. If I mention again next member, it will work. So the next member will be next member dot next member will be clothing, and even you can mention this chaining option, right? So again you get it, components. So this is called dot representation. Nowadays we see this representation in the whenever you write the Spark SQL, right? So same way the dot notation is there in the MDX where you can bring the multiple functions, the dependent functions, and bring the data. This is about the next member. That's all for now. Thank you.